Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So today we are going to be checking out some spring hairstyles. First up, we have this long to short transformation. So she went from super long hair to this pixie undercut style. So cute. I love the way that her hair turned out. And I'm so glad that we got to see like the different stages of her hair. Oh, so she has very long tailbone length hair. Okay, so far it doesn't look like she's going too short. And here we have someone who is getting a curly pixie cut style. Oh, this came out super cute. And when it comes to like spring and summer season hairstyles, I feel like this curly, like wash and go pixie would be a great low maintenance style to try. You wouldn't have to do much to it. You just kind of wash and go. So the stylist for this next one is showing us how he shapes curly hair. Beautiful head of curly hair. Another gorgeous summer style. So here we have someone with red hair. She wants to go short with a pixie. I love the color. As you guys know, red is definitely trending right now. Ooh, she has a little bang there in the front. Okay, so the stylist did cut it, and she's got a swoop bang going here now. Oh, very cute. Wow. I swear this style made her look like a good 15 years younger. Like, she looks amazing. So here we have someone with shoulder length hair. Looks like she's getting the pixie here. Very cute style. She's got the bangs going there in the front. So here we have someone that looks like she has a bob. Ooh, another really cute curly pixie cuts. This once again would be a great style for the summer season. A really cute, low maintenance wash and go look. She's got a bit of an asymmetrical shape here with this one. Hair a little bit longer on one side versus the other. She gets her makeup done as well for this makeover. Very cute. She looks absolutely beautiful. So here we have someone with hair around shoulder length. Looks like she gets some color and a very cute aesthetic pixie bob. Lots of texture with this cut. A lot of texture, a lot of volume. So then we have our last style for today. So she's getting some color here, a bit of chocolate brown. And cut into a nice chic bob style. I love this color in her complexion. So pretty. Alright, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed taking a look at all of the cute spring hairstyle ideas that you can try this season. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.